Hello guys, today we're gonna unboxing this keyboard. This is a QW07 keyboard mouse. It is wireless. It has two capabilities. It has a Bluetooth and 2.4G wireless connection. We have the keyboard, the manual, the USB charging cable. This is a Type-C charging cable and a mouse. And yeah, it is a colorful keyboard button. And also in the back side we have also option. This is maybe for the pink, yellow, red, and this one is for a blue color. 34 centimeter by 12.6 centimeter, and the thickness around 2 centimeters. And this is for the stand. I see the plastic is a very good plastic. It's not looks like a cheap plastic. Also, this working with a battery. We can open from here. And this is like a AA battery, but it is not a AA battery. This is a rechargeable battery. It has a 5000 milliamp, 3.7 volt. This is a rechargeable battery, so you can charging through here. You can recharge the battery. And this is the selector. If you want to use for your PC using a USB small receiver, you can use this 2.4G. Or if you want to use for your phones, tablet, you can use a Bluetooth connection. So there are two options you have here. I think the caps is using a magnet here, so it can easily close. And for the mouse, we have also rechargeable mouse here. It is also Type-C charging port, and in the box we have this cable for charging. They give us a cable for charging. And at the first time I confused where is the USB receiver, and actually the USB receiver is inside the mouse. Open. And this is the USB receiver. This is the USB receiver for both keyboard and mouse. And this is also a rechargeable battery, 3.7 volt. Oh, this is 500 milliamp. So you can recharge this battery with the cables that they are providing us with. This one, and you can find the USB receiver here. We have also side button here, and the switch is for the Bluetooth. You can choose for 2.4G connection. And this keyboard price, I buy this in Qatar. It is price 69.75 Qatar Riyal. I buy this in a bookstore in Qatar. It is around $19 or $20 US dollars in today rate, March 2025. So yeah, I think this is a reasonable price for this keyboard with all the function. Okay, now let's try to install this keyboard and mouse to my laptop, and I will explain to you how to connect to the Bluetooth and the USB receiver. Okay, now we're gonna connect to Bluetooth first, the wireless connection. We need to make sure the battery is available. The battery is not empty, so make sure you are charging the battery before you are using it. using this cable. You can charge from here, from back side. So now we can switch the selector to BT, the LED blinking green, and we can go to our Windows desktop. I'm using Windows. This is also can use for the Mac also. You can see here there is a small icon for Bluetooth devices. You can click, or you can go inside the control panel and choose the Bluetooth setting there from the control panel. For me it's easier, we can go from here, Bluetooth devices, click here and add a Bluetooth device, and it will pop up the windows like this. And before we search for the device, we need to reset this device. Maybe before this keyboard is connected to other Bluetooth devices, so we need to restart. And how to restart it is Fn and C, press 3 seconds until the LEDs is blinking here. It is ready to be paired. It is already reset, and we can click add device, Bluetooth. This is the device, AOC. Now it is connected. Your device is ready to go. Okay, that's how you connect the Bluetooth device. And now you can try to type anything. Okay, to connect this mouse via Bluetooth, it is the same way. We need to first make sure the battery is full, or the battery is not in low capacity, and we can activate this to BT, and then we need to restart the device by pressing these 3 buttons, left, middle and right. Together we press 3 seconds until the light is blinking like that. See, the light is blinking. It means the device is being restarted. And then after we restart the device by pressing these 3 buttons, 3 seconds together, and the LED is blinking, it means it's being restarted. The Bluetooth device is being restarted. And we can go to the corner again. We find the Bluetooth device, and we can click add Bluetooth device. We can add device, Bluetooth, and it will showing AOC KM403.0. This is for the mouse. This is for the mouse, and this is for the keyboard. We can click here and it's connected, and your device is ready to go. And now you can use the mouse. And that's how you connect the mouse and the keyboard from this QW07 combo mouse and keyboard. And the last connection is for the 2.4G. It is pretty straightforward. We can choose the 2.4G, and you can connect the USB receiver inside this mouse here. You can connect this to your port, this USB receiver, connect it to your port here, and then you are ready to go. Don't forget to switch also to 2.4G connection also. Now it is activate with the 2.4G connection. Can try here also. it's working for the 2.4G, and also the mouse is working. Okay guys, that's it. That's how you install this QW07 combo mouse and keyboard. I hope this helps, and thank you for your like and subscribe. It will support me making more videos in the future. Again, thank you very much. Terima kasih and bye bye.